Yeah.
That pauses it. All right, Dad, I don't know if you can hear me, but when somebody doesn't come to work, this is what I get to do. All the railroad ties here come out that little hole. That's a whole nother process. See the hole back there? Right there. Come out of the building. And the crane here. Fix them up. And right down here. We load them on. Oh, the trailer's not here. There's the trailer. There's the trailer. There's the 150 Komatsu, which I'm going to get in and park the trailer. Now this is one of the most technically difficult things to do at the whole place. Just to park this trailer in that little hole over there. So I'm going to attempt to do it while I narrate, which may have never been done before in all of history. That's Doggo, he doesn't speak English. Got to get all this done before he gets that trailer, the table there full, so I can drag the stuff out here and get in the other machine and unload it, stack it, come back and do it again. See, I normally don't have to do all this. This is two people's job, but somebody didn't come to work, so I can't supervise. I have to do this. Let's see if I can do this and film it at the same time. I got a flawless takeoff. Oh yeah. Look at that right there. Doesn't even have hair around it. First shot. One hitter quitter. And we're in there. See if I can keep this thing straight. It's crucial here. Alright, I gotta put some dunnage on top. I'll be right back. Okay, Dad, I'm back. See, I had to put that wood on top because we go out here and we stack them. Well, I go out here and stack them. As soon as he's finished loading this thing, hope this video ain't making you dizzy, but it's kind of making me dizzy. As you can see, he's lowered the rack right there onto the nifty little trailer. And as soon as he's finished, I'm gonna attempt to drag this thing out here to where all the ties are. They're out that way. Oh, you can't see out that window, but they're everywhere. Last time I checked, we got about 70,000 of them out here. And Daniel here, I believe, is done. This is a little tricky right here. You got to pull it out straight, otherwise it'll get cockeyed in the table and get jammed up. And my pathway behind me is not. Uh-oh, I'm jammed up. There we go. There we go. I'm gonna try to go this way. There's 63 railroad ties on this trailer, and they weigh 700 pounds each. So I figured you could do the math, since you're a math guy. 20-some thousand pounds. Or 60,000, it's 60,000 pounds, somewhere around there. Each row is one, you almost flooded. See, going over the railroad tracks, it's a little scary. Because even though this is a loader, a Komatsu 150, this thing gets rolling right here. It will push you all the way down the road and out of the way. How do I know? It's happening. I should have a helmet cam and not have my other hand free to drive this thing. There we go. This is the tricky part. Things gets a little momentum. You will just push you right over the other railroad tracks since you're behind me. Make this turn. Come on now. There we go. Kind of hard to do one-handed. But here's the railroad ties. As you can see, they're everywhere. Right over here are the rail cars. They load them on. You take them and replace the wood ones. Get a little speed here. We can get down here to the other machine, which is the Taylor. And the Taylor is a 60,000 pound forklift. They cost about $300,000. I'm not sure what the Komatsu costs, probably about 100. So technically I'm in charge and responsible for $500,000 for the equipment. And I gotta do this all fast because I'm doing two people's job. One guy usually loads up the ties are on the table, puts the dunnage. Dunnage is the wood that's in between the stacks there, you see, and drags the trailer out here. And then there's another guy that's in this monster forklift over here that unloads them. But I, unfortunately, somebody didn't want to come to work today, have to do both. But that's why they call me Dave Get Her Done Anderson. Because I'm going to get her done without fail. Uh-oh, got a little tight in here. BNSF wouldn't appreciate me running into their trains. Yeah, it's a little close. I can't do it though. It's all how you manipulate the trailer and loader here. I got mad skills. There we go. Made it. I gotta lift up my boom here. Had to use two hands for a second. Alright. Now I'm going to attempt to put this where it's going to make it nice and easy and convenient for me. Hang on. Alright, Dad, you're going to have to hold on a minute because I have to put the dunnage up. Alright, Dad, I'm back. I got all my dunnage squared away. Now, I'm going to get into the Taylor. The Taylor has this monster grab right here to grab the ties. Then, I'm going to attempt to stack them right over there. This is an amazing feat. Gotta be just right to get these. I should have designed it a little better. But who am I? I don't know nothing. Nope. Back up, back up. Let's go. There we go. Got a little blurry, sorry. You got the point of view, you got my point of view on a busy day. This takes two hands for sure, so might be good enough. I don't need to. I'm gonna line it up. Okay. Need a helmet cam for sure. This would be so much easier. So I gotta make sure I'm lined up out here. I think. Now. There we go. Had to back out a little bit. Uh-oh. Got some problems here. I'm not lined up. Okay. Drop this thing down on here. Tilt it forward. I gotta open my clamp. It's open now. You don't do this right, tires will pop out on you. Well, 700 pounds will kill you. There we go. It's gotta be just right. Now, I will squeeze the clamps together and attempt, see the clamps are squeezed. Hope I got them squeezed on the other side. Now I will lift it up. That is 20,000 pounds, roughly. I'll adjust it. I'm gonna go over here. And I'm going to put it on this stack. Oh yeah, there's not much room to work here. I have barely enough room to get this thing turned around in here. What I just thought I'd make this and send this to you because I haven't talked to you. You probably wonder what it is that I really do all day for 12 to 13 hours a day. You're looking at it. Alright, I gotta line this thing up just right. And drop this on the stack in front of me, which is no small feat, even for a talented guy like me. Getting this thing lined up is quite a chore. I can come over here on these ties. Get back over here. Oh yeah, a little bit. Anyway. That is what I do. A little adjustment there. Well, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. I'm doing my best though. Guess I'm doing my best. Pretty close. Let's see. That's not even close. Way off. Oh, I gotta stop. Fix my wood there, which is called dunnage. Otherwise the clamp doesn't get caught up in it. Now I'm going to take you to the top of the world, up here on all the ties. As you can see, they're forever. There goes the trade now. That's all the ties. Well, there's a gazillion of them. This is where they recycle the old wood looms. That's what I do. You have a good day. Oh, I didn't think you got any of that. Okay, hit the wrong button. Anyway, what I was saying was, here's all ties. I unloaded the trailer. I'm on my way back around this corner here. we'll see big windmill, power generating windmill. That's the company Vestas. They make those things. That's where I'd like to work because they make double what we make. There's their plant right over the hill there. They're big cranes. Anyway, till next time, Dad. Next time I will send a video of the inside of the plant and how the ties are made and got to where they get.